I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sign in now using your Microsoft account and open Teams. Once signed in, make sure the app has camera and microphone permission. This prevents last-minute failures. Next, you'll test devices. Open Settings Devices and choose the correct camera, mic, and speaker, then speak to confirm levels. Finally, start the call from Calendar or a chat by clicking Meet or Video Call. Once you click, wait for preview to confirm audio and video look correct before joining the meeting. Once you're in the meeting, use the action bar at the bottom to mute, toggle video, and share your screen. Choose window or desktop to control what others see. If you need to emphasize a speaker, pin, or spotlight their video, make someone a presenter to allow screen sharing. Manage participants from the panel to mute noisy lines or invite guest links. Once done, enable live captions for clarity and switch views between gallery and presenter to focus on content or people as needed. When the meeting ends, click the red hang up to leave and stop any active screen share to avoid leaving sensitive content visible. If you recorded, save the file to chat or OneDrive and confirm sharing permissions so attendees can access it later. If audio or video fail, restart Teams, test devices again in Settings, and try joining via the browser version if the app misbehaves. Make sure camera and mic permissions are allowed and that your firewall or VPN isn't blocking Teams. This fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.